just to let you know, we've got a very exciting, some exciting news coming, and that is our 4th book is coming out soon, and it's in the Adjacent Possible series. And the thing that I'm so excited about is that it's featuring some amazing artists who are in the Artist Journey community and in the Studio Journey Masterclass community. And our beloved Elizabeth Vanderschaap is in this book. So that's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be stories and beautiful artwork from about 25 artists. So that's coming soon. I'll let you know about it as we get closer. We're real excited about that. Meanwhile, if you haven't, get a copy of the books, whether it's the Artist Journey, which you may already have, the Artist Journey Creativity Reflection Journal, or the Adjacent Possible Book 1, which has been out since September, and it's helped a lot of artists. And I think it might help you to really get at the foundational parts of creating and getting really going into the unknown. And so that's where I believe the most exciting art lives. So the concept here was, you know, it's about the adjacent possible, and it's like, kind of how is that shown up in your art? And the adjacent possible, in case you haven't read the book, or, you know, it's about evolving your art. It's about stepping into the unknown. It's about 1 foot in the known, 1 foot in the unknown. And that each move you make opens up a possibility that not only was invisible before, but didn't exist before you made that move. So you're continually creating and co-creating with the universe and evolving your art. And so this is where I ask artists, think about examples in your own art and your own stories of when this happened for you. And so we're going to bring it alive in this book. We're going to animate it in book 4. And I could totally imagine having another book, Elizabeth Cassidy. So you all think about it and notice. And when you see this 4th book, you'll see what I'm talking about the different ways that the adjacent possible shows up in your work as an artist and an innovator.